Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'm going to speak with you about ways to protect your real estate investments. Before I do that, if you would like to make an appointment with me, if you want to speak to me about your specific situation, please go to callfrankbruno.com. I'm available by phone or in person, sometimes both. Right, so I spoke to a client yesterday, potential client referred from another lawyer, and it was about a real estate matter. And he got a high recommendation from that attorney to me. I had spoken to the attorney in advance. He asked me if I could handle it. It's a specific issue related to real estate. I spoke to the gentleman, and where he lives is about, 45 minutes from where my office is. So at the end of the conversation, he said, well, I really have to think about this because I'm not sure I want to come to your office. So he called back today and in fact made an appointment for tomorrow. So interestingly enough, what I explained to him, it was really the aftermath of a plan, and it's buying out siblings, right? From they're each percentage owners of a piece of real property, and wants to know how to go about doing that and speak to me about specifics. What I explained is that we probably don't have to meet each other that frequently. The relationship can be ongoing, but we meet for an initial consultation, a discussion, a conversation about what has to take place. Then a lot of the interaction can take place, phone, email. I still have a fax that's used much less frequently, but phone, cell phone, office phone, email. So today I wrote a blog post on 8 ways that you can protect your real estate investments. So the number one reason, the number one way to protect your investment is through the use of insurance. If you own property, you should have homeowners insurance. Right? If you have a mortgage, it's required. If you don't have a mortgage, it's not legally required to have a homeowner's insurance, but really it is advisable to protect against life's catastrophes, fire, flood, the elements. If you have a business, you should have business insurance. So really, insurance is the number one way. The number 8 way, right, that was one. Number 8 was avoid risky situations and speak to your lawyer. I combined the two, right? Do your due diligence, do your homework about the real property you have, be up to speed as an owner for whether or not you need the insurance, how you go about following the rules and regulations of the city and the state for your municipality, for your piece of property. So if you would like to discuss any situation that you may be confronted with, please give me a call. Reach out to me at callfrankbruno.com. Thank you very much.